Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Sunday. I had to get this emergency update out to you guys, and let me know if you guys appreciate these on-the-go updates, and I can do a lot more of these. I am out and about right now, about to go see Tom Brady at a Buccaneers game, but I had to get this Sunday update out to you guys to talk about the most important levels to watch for Bitcoin. Now, the first thing I want you guys to realize is if we go into this hourly chart, notice how we've yet to see any full hourly candles close below the $34,788 level. Why is this important? Because the range that we're currently playing in, as you guys can see from this chart, is 34,788 is our major support and 36,500 as our major resistance. If we start to see any hourly or 4-hour candles close below 34,788, the likelihood that we could see further downside is on the table. But notice how we did see some very nice institutional type volume on the hourly chart, just like we saw when Bitcoin initially came below the $40,000 level for the first time. And this institutional type of volume allowed Bitcoin to actually maintain price action above its most important level here. When we initially saw this institutional volume, notice how Bitcoin maintained price action above 41,950. Of course, right now, the range that we're playing in is a little bit different. We have 36,500 as our major resistance. If we can see some hourly and 4-hour candles cross above 36,500, that is going to be the initial confirmation that we could potentially see a reversal in trend towards 38,000. And of course, breaking above 38,000 is going to be the major level for the bulls right now. As traditional markets and futures markets start to open, we're going to be monitoring this, of course. This is going to be the most important 24 hours for Bitcoin, in my opinion. We know if we look at what happened here recently to the S&P 500, we have come down with an extremely bearish candle closing here on the daily chart. Looking at the simple moving averages, we are below the 200-day moving average. This is why we saw such bearish price action coming into the weekly close. And so understand that this is a very bearish candle. What happens to the S&P 500 in the next 24 hours is going to be extremely important for Bitcoin. And then notice here with Ethereum to the US dollar pairing, we are also seeing some slight action to the upside right now, but nothing significant yet. But if we go to the hourly chart, we have also seen some very nice institutional type of volume. I would call this institutional volume because notice how we have ascending sell pressure, but the buy pressure that came in was beyond and greater than the sell pressure that we have seen, even though there has been rising sell pressure. And so this is an extremely important time for Bitcoin. I had to get this update out to you guys. There are some good signs here on the chart, like this hourly institutional volume coming below 34,788. For those that have been tuned into the Snipers channel, you guys know that that was the most important level for Bitcoin, 34,788. And the fact that we have maintained 34,788 so far on hourly and 4-hour candles is an extremely positive sign that we could potentially see a bottom here. The worst case scenario that I talked about was 33,000 US dollars. And that is still my prediction. I am sticking with 33,000 US dollars as potentially the worst case scenario for Bitcoin. And at this point, as long as we stay above 34,788, 36,500 is the next major resistance. And the range that we're currently playing in has a support of 34,788 and a resistance of 36,500. So if we can get hourly and 4-hour candles closing above 36,500, that is also going to be the confirmation that we need that we could potentially be seeing some upside here in the short term. Sorry, this chart is a little bit off right now. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update on the phone. If you guys want more of these on-the-go updates, I can get these out pretty quick, to be honest with you. Then smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and show your support. I appreciate each and every one of you, Snipers. Have an amazing Sunday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And with that, Snipers out.